ki changa topic dikhala na part 3 re square and square root kajira part 3 na lo khar jangna na to check a perfect square we have learned that perfect square re the rem in that verify chair sama anzo la method chigere khare perfect square check chela method khare la na prime factorization method re ta prime factorization method de khandes verify che meta and ta penacha shana anzo la number 144 tere. Now 144 ding anzo khachela na perfect square re the rem the check share khandel na by using the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method ding anzo zinda tupa ne jangare tupa la jangare tumba la jangare ta gewa la jangare kesa wa mare. Cheza LCM method marta di the prime factorization method re. So 144 cheza ta unit place la harre do 4 eda. So you this is even number. So prime number 2 ki share. So 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Ra. Did you khare? Yang 2 do ra khaila na. Unit place la 2 da. 2 3s are 6. Ra. 2 6 are 36. Means 2 6 are 12. Ra. 2 1s are 2. 1 left. 16 just are 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are khare. 18 chasa 3 3s are 9 and khare 3 1s are 3. So prime factor khar kar le so ra 144 ki prime factor khar kar le la na 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. All these are the prime factors of 144 ra ta perfect square re the rem the check chese bang anzo khachela na pairing square pairing ni ki pairing square 2 2 ki pairing square sa 2 multiply by 2 2 multiply by 2 and 3 multiply by 3 ra 2 2 they pair chi tini is pair chesa so here all the prime factors kare khala anzo here kare all the prime factors have pair ra so it is a perfect square. Number 144 is a perfect square because all the prime factors have a pair, right? They are arranged in the pair, so that is why 144 is a what? Perfect square number. Now let's take one more example. Suppose if I took an example, 125. Okay, now 125. Now we are going to check whether number 125 is a perfect square or not. So again by prime factorization method 125. Unit place is 5, right? So you have to what? Multiply by means divide by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 2 left and 25 chera. So 5 5s are 25. Did you look again unit place la 5 dwa. So 5 khazu ke 25 lead. 5 5s are 25 and kare 5 1s are 5. So 125 ka ji prime factor dikhar kar li lena 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. Okay, now again you have to arrange this into pair. 5 multiply by 5 dikhare pair na le sa ine 5 1 was left. Here this 5 have prime factor have no pair. So that's why number 125 is not a perfect square. So what you will say here? You will say therefore prime factor 5 has no pair, so it is not a perfect square. Go to say KC pair prime factor then so pairing now you know अनि खचेरे perfect square chere अनि pair namlo la mena prime factor so pairing mena अनि खचेले na not a perfect square chere goes say. Okay, one more example. Example gone chiglewa ina pen session 96. Okay, 96 ta 96 le re ganjoi. So 96 we are going to check for the 96. Okay, so 96 the khare unit place la hazar with 6 with the, so we will do it with the 2, right? So 2 4s are 8 gazali de 1 left, 2 8s are 16 ra tichula khare 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 12s are ra 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So the prime factor of 96 kaji prime factor khar khar lirda 2 multiply by 2 multiply, okay, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. Okay, now pairing you have to again make it into the pair. So 2 multiply by 2 pair and 2 multiply by 2 pair. The 2 left prime factor 2 have a no pair 2 and the prime factor 3 have a no pair, right? So again prime factor means again number 96 is not a what? Not a perfect square, right? So what you will say that you will say that 96 is not a perfect square because prime factor 2 and 3 have no pair. Prime factor ni da sumla pair minda chezang khare number 96 is not a khachere lana not a perfect square chair goes say ta this is how to find out the this is how to check whether the number is a perfect square or not by using the prime factorization method. Now till here we had learned about the square. Now we are going to learn what is square. What do you understand by the term square roots? Okay, the square root janga square roots lana khande chigla khogor ra square lana thupshi kha khangma chasa square root la chamba square roots. Okay, square root is denoted by radical like this. This is the symbol of a square root. Okay, the square root tanglo ta tangbo nganzo khar jang lana square of x lan jang square of x la chamba khala na x की square lar base की power 2 lar because this is square of x lar the square root of x lar chamba square root of x lar chamba khala wala na x की power 1 by 2 lar x की power and 1 upon 2 this is the square root ra square root of x or you can say that or square root of x. You can write it also like this. This radical sign kaji any value dikhala na 1 by 2 chair exponent nanglola means x raised to the power 1 by 2 or you can say that square root of x lana inde chigla lagor goes say. So square root of x ni lasa square root of x la shemba inde so square root of x la x raised to the power 1 by 2 lar x raised to the power half. Okay, go to say the square root lana khande chigla lagi me square root की radical sign दे रहे and radical sign की value दिखाला ना half रे ra so square root of x means under root x or you can say that x raised to the power 1 by 2. The square root la solve chela again to solve the square roots we have a two method, that is prime factorization method and the long division method. To solve square roots, we have a two methods. The first method is prime factorization method, and the second method is long division method. So we will learn one by one. First of all, we are going to check whether the number is a perfect square root or not with the help of a prime factorization method. Thangmo anzo prime factorization method the pheche chere and anzo ki khar chelna, we are going to check whether a given number is a perfect square or not with the help of a prime factorization. Now, with the help of prime factorization method, we are going to check whether the given number is perfect square or not. Ta thangbo anzo prime factorization rang cher da long division lame dangi. Prime factorization method, perfect square or not. Tata tang also khar check chela na whether the given number is a perfect square or not. Re mare check cher chesa. First of all, if I give you a number like suppose find the square root of 196 lane jugore, or you can say that 196 raised to the power 1 by 2 lane jugore, or you can say that or square root of 196 lane jugore thanda chikpare. Find square root of 196 lane thanda chikpare yana, or square root of 196 into tine dukore, or square root of 196 the khari form nanglo lare the word nanglo chesang anzu cheya in data by using the prime factorization. Now I'm going to check. So we are going to check for the 196. So prime factor, the ones place there is 6, so with the help of 2, right? So 2, that's okay. 2 9s are 18, right? 1 left. 16 says that 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 2 4s are 8, 1 left, 18 says that 2 9s are 18. Next number hare 7 ki duira. You have to remember the what? Properties of what? Properties of first 9 natural numbers. Ye khalas 7 ki means square tangsa ba unit place la 9 li lesa. So 9 lesa ba nganso ki direct 7 yam the 12 because 49 ki perfect square dikhar la na and it's 7 ra chesa. Okay, the 7 yam tayan the 7 kazui 49 re 7 7s are 49 and it's 7 1 ki 7. So prime factors of 196 ki prime factor khali na 2 multiply by 2 multiply by khazure 7 multiply by 7. Ta nganso khar jangla na nganso khar se na find the square root of 196 ka square root se and then nganso khar gela na square root ki and sign di kere ra. So square root of 196 that din anglo la nganso khar thiela na. In this we are going to write a common one ra. Common chik thiere tingi ki nganso tingi ki ne nganso ki common chik thiere tingi ki nganso common chik thiere. So 2 chik then 7 chik, so 2 7s are 14. So square root of ra 196 ra 196 की square root दिखाल 14 रे 14 की square तक ना 196 रे लर कोज से. So इंटे रे perfect square रे दे रे मी दे check छे दी कोज से square root दी थिवा थांगबो दी छे. ता थिवा निवा देंदा. Okay, now we are going to check whether number 225 is a perfect square or not with the help of a prime factorization method. Now 225. So unit place la 5 rida. Chisam we directly what? Solve it with the help of prime factor 5. 5 4s are 20 lira. 5 4s are 20 lira lemur. Chisam left 5. So 5 5s are 25. Next number 5 9s are 45. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So the prime factors of number 225 is, okay, you're going to check whether the square root of 225, right? So square root of 225 is equals to square root. Now the prime factors 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Round, so you have to write only once, right? 5 common chick here, 3 common chick here. So 5 multiplied by 3, that is 5 3s are 15. So square root of 225 is a 15. Goes this way. So this is how we are going to check whether the given number is a perfect square or not with the help of a prime factorization method. Goes this way. Okay. The goes to na nganzoki tak har check chair lana. Now we are going to check the decimal number. Tang anzo decimal number din so check chair da. Now we are going to find the square root of decimal number. Find the square root of 7.29 by prime factorization method. Okay, now we are going to check with the help of decimal number that whether this decimal number is a square root or not with the help of a prime factorization yamdo answer ki check chere chezang answer this solve chezamba. Now we are going to solve this decimal. So 7.29 the 7.29 reda answer ki khat se lana square root se ler. So we are going to check, we are going to find out the square root of 7.29, right? Chesa number khare 7.29 re. So 7.29 reda chesa nganzo 7.29 di nganzo and tina dogora 729 point ki jula number ni da so 0 ni kya nganzo ani digangala square root ki symbol kya na deo ra. So we can express root 7.29 as a 729 upon 100. Goes this way. In the express chena dora. Now again we are going to find out with the help of prime factorization 729. 729. So your unit place is 9. So with the help of prime factor 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 left, 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. Again with the help of 3, 3 8s are 21, 3 1s are 3. Again with the help of 3, 3 2s are 6 and 22 left and it will become 21. So in 3's table, 3 7s are 21. Again with the help of 3, 3 9s are 27. Again with the help of 3, 3 3s are 9 and then 3 1s are 3. Tata. Okay, now 729 upon 100 ki prime factor dikhar liya lana anzola. Okay, 3 multiply by 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 3. This is sama harang answer ji prime factor re. The 100 with that 0 ni rida. So multiply by 10 multiply by 10. Kesi dela 0 sumina, then 10 multiply by 10 multiply by 10 thing sumli. Dela 0 ni da, so 10 multiply by 10 lit. Kesi dela 0 shi na, and 10 multiply by 10 multiply by 10 multiply by 10 lentier. Tata again khachere nganzo the group nang lo swere. You can write only once. You can write only once. You can write only one. And also 10 upon 10 multiply by 10 nang lo la rounds with chik put here. So you can write only 1, 3 multiply 3, and you can write 10 only once. So 3 3s are 9, and 9 3s are 27. So 27 divided by 10, which means that 10 the mewa sena kang la khachere decimal lira. So 2.7. So square root of 7.29 is 2.7. Goes say this is how to solve the decimal number kaji square root the solve shita endere. Kone chik chain that chik pa. Similarly, we are going to do one more. Decimal number kaji kone kharse lana nganzo ki ani square root re dare min tare. So pena cha shana. Okay, 3.24 chikte vaina. Now you are going to check whether this decimal number is a perfect square or not with the help of prime factorization. Again, what you will do, 3.24 square root of 3.24, you can remove the decimal and write 324 divided by 100 and use the radical sign. Goes to say, so 324 divided by 100 chasa. Again, you are going to find out the prime factor of 324. So the unit place there is a 4. With the help of 2, 3 ones are, means 2 ones are 2, and 2 6s are 12, and 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16, 2 ones are 2. Then there is a 1 with the help of 3. 3 2s are 6, and 3 7s are 21, and 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So what we will do, square root of 324 divided by 100 is equals to square root 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3, and there are 100 in some. You have to write 10 multiply by 10. Again, in pairing, you have to write only once. So only 1 2 3 1 3, and you can take a 10 only once. So 2 3s are 6, and 6 3s are 18, right? So 18 divided by 10, which means when you remove this 10, you can take a decimal over here. It means it will become 1.8. So you can write as square root of decimal 3.24. The value is 1.8. This is your answer. Goes to say, this is how to solve decimal number with the help of a prime factorization. Goes to say, tanga chiwa khashe stand around the homework chid. Decimal kaji prime factorization se chiwa khashe shiangal. For homework, you have few questions here. Find the square root of the decimal by prime factorization. Okay, that chiwa thangbo di kharla na 2.5 56. Okay, second question दिखा लेना 51.84. Third question दिखा रहे लेना यानी 31.36. Question number शिवा दिखा लेना. Okay, 42.25. These are 4 questions. You are going to find the square root of the decimal by using the prime factorization. Goes to say, these are the 4 questions regarding to decimal number. And then I'll give you some more questions. Find the square root of, correct, square root of the following numbers, of the following numbers by prime factorization. The two prime factorization pejatang ni and square root rather in the check chair. So Tiwa Tangbo the current lana 2304 3481. Third question is 3249. Fourth question is 5776. Fifth question is 576. Sixth question is 3136. And question number 7 is 1024. Question number 8 is 900. And question number 9 is 4489. Question number 10 is 529. Question number 11 is 1369. And question number 12 is 7921. These are the homework for you. Question question chungi dinge kharga chitelana, find the square root of the following numbers by prime factorization. And question she dikhate and decimal kajite. Total the habda di nanglola and roundzola and tiwa chutuk yore and tiwa chutuk dissolve inji mi cherona lo and dagara in tharin labedi and thushen nashi.